Hello, you beautiful people. So, today I'm creating my 10th celebrity inspired makeup look, and today on my list is Tara Sutaria. She began her television career as a child artist in 2010 and entered Bollywood in 2019 with the film Student of the Year 2. In case you guys want to know how I got this particular makeup look, then please keep on watching this video till the end. I'm gonna start off by using a primer on my face, and the primer that I'm using today is a Laura Mercier primer. It's a beautiful, thin and very moisturizing primer. I'm going to be applying this all over my face, and with the help of my fingers I'm just gonna blend it all. After this, I'm gonna go forward for my foundation, where I'm using the Studio Fix Fluid Foundation with the SPF 15. I'm in the shade of NC25. I personally love this particular foundation way too much because this gives you a skin-like finish and also has a great amount of coverage to it. So you can just blend your foundation into your skin, taking your time in this. I personally feel that this foundation sits down very beautifully on every individual skin. So in case you haven't tried this already, then you must give it a try. After this, I'm gonna just conceal my under eyes and anywhere wherever I need to just highlight by using the Makeup Revolution brightening concealer in the shade of C2. I'm going to take this particular concealer on my brush and going to start making an inverted V underneath my eyes and going to tap the product instead of dragging the product. We need to have that brightening effect, and I have to tell you one major thing in this particular concealer, that it sits down really very quickly, so you need to be very fast and please be very soft while you blend everything into place. And here I'm using the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade of 15 Light. I'm going to take this particular translucent powder with the help of my beauty blender and going to start tapping it down wherever I have just applied my concealer. Here I'm taking the Milani Bronzer XL All Over Glow, and this is somewhat how it looks like from outer packaging. Once you're gonna open it, this is somewhat how it looks like from inside. It has like two pans and I am in the shade of 02 Fake Tan. I'm gonna take it with a brush and very softly I'm just going to bring that warmthness to my face. And the picture that we are imitating, you can see it by yourself that she has gone with a lot of bronzer on her face. And once I'm done with sculpting my face really nicely, I'm gonna go with the Milani blush. I'm using the shade 05 Coral Clove, and this is somewhat how it looks like from inside. It has a very beautiful open flower print going on it. I'm just gonna swirl my brush all over the blush, and here I'm just going to dust it on the apples of my cheeks and also going to take it to my temples and nose. After this, I'm gonna use the Mary Luminizer from Balm Cosmetics. It is a very beautiful champagne poppy color that a highlighter should be like, and I'm just going to be taking the product on the highest point of my face. And if you're going to look at the picture very clearly shows that her skin is glowing from within, and I'm going to make sure that my skin is glowing throughout. So I'm going to apply the highlighter wherever the light is hitting to her face. I'm going to be applying on my brow bone too, and here I'm going to be taking the Absolute New York Super Slim Pointy Fin Eyebrow Pencil. I like this particular eyebrow pencil because it has like two things in one. It has a one side pencil and a spoolie at the other end. First, I'm gonna brush my hair with the help of the spoolie and going to take the pencil side and will start filling it in. I'm only going to fill in the spare gaps. You do not need to go overboard with the product because we are only going to fill the spare gaps. You need not to go overboard with the product at all. For my eyes, I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsession palette. The color scheme of this particular eye palette is really great. That's why I picked this particular palette for my eyes. Here I'm going to pick the very lightest shade from the palette and I'm going to be applying it on my crease and just going to make sure that my crease is covered with this particular color. After this, I'm going to be taking these three colors. I'm just going to be taking the product ever so slightly on on my brush and going to make it blend into my crease and also on my eyelid area completely. I'm just gonna cover my eyelid with this particular shade, and I'm gonna take my time in this. And once I'm done with this, I'm just going to smoke the color underneath my eyes by taking all these three colors that I've just taken previously. And here I'm using the NYX Love Lust Disco Epic Ink eyeliner. I'm going to be using as the eyeliner today for this particular look. It is in a pen form, is very black in the color, will give you a opaque coverage, so you take your time in making your eyeliner because it's very easy to have a grip on a pen eyeliner instead of a liquid eyeliner. So I am going to be using a NYX Cosmetics lip liner for the next product. It is in the shade of Soft Spoken. I'm just gonna outline my lips with it, and here I'm just gonna top it off with a matte lip gloss all over my lips. I'm just gonna dunk a quite amount of the product and will be applying directly on my lips. And this is somewhat how the whole look turned out to be. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this particular video. If you did, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I make regular content on my Instagram. In case you want to check out my work, you can definitely do that. Must check my other celebrity inspired makeup look that you will find the link in the description. Thank you so very much for watching. Take care, love, stay home, bye.